That's how you change the world.
In the future, I will help people conquer their insecurities, overcome their limiting barriers, whether it be physical or mental. I will help people to discover their purpose and their passion and help them to become confident in who they are and who they want to become. Hey everyone, my name is Nylan. This is my vision for my future and what I want to do with my life. What is your vision? If you don't have a vision yet, I suggest that you take some time today and figure it out. What do you want to do with your life, or how do you see your future? Without vision, you will not have any direction. So in order to move forward and to move from where you are now and to become the better, or to become a better person and to have a better job and a better life, you have to know exactly where you're going. There's an old saying that the bullets don't lie, so where you aim, that's where you're going to hit. So if you don't have a target, or if your target isn't something that you may think you want, and you're aiming over here, but what you want is really over there, then guess what? You're going to miss it 100% of the time. So when you are creating your vision, you should put it or write it down and put it in the place where you will be able to see it, where you will be able to feel it. So what I mean by feeling it, when you are writing it down, you should use the emotions that you're going to feel. You should describe exactly what it's going to be like that day you are able to achieve that vision and be living that vision and just be just soak whatever that feeling is, just soak it in. For my vision, that feeling for me is as if I'm standing on top of a mountain and I'm looking for as far as the eye can see. The sun is shining on me, and it is an amazing feeling, and I really can't explain, put that feeling in words. That's going to be me living my vision when I'm able to stand on top of the mountain after I've helped many of people help conquer their insecurities, or just become confident in who they are and break through their limiting barriers. So again, if you don't have a vision for where you want your life to go and what you want to do in your life, you are going nowhere. So take some time, figure out what your vision is, what it is you want to do, and where you want your life to go. Until then, you will be right here, right where you are. So get off your butt, get in your mind, and find the future. And until next time, keep owning life.